Hello, my name is Carson Chan. I'm Community Sales Manager here with Summerhill Homes at our Bellaterra community in the desirable Los Gatos, California. Bellaterra is a new construction, new home community featuring 253 homes with a variety of collections and floor plans, situated within a master plan development of North 40 to include future retail and eateries that will provide a balance of modern living with history and culture. Bellaterra features 3 beautifully designed home collections, ranging in size from 1 to 3 bedrooms, 910 square feet to 2,089 square feet, with private decks and yard spaces per plan. Our Towns collection features 97 traditional attached row homes, ranging in 2 to 3 bedrooms from 1,508 square feet to 1,974 square feet. Our TownFlats collection features 80 condo-style attached homes, ranging from 1 to 3 bedrooms from 1,039 square feet to 2,089 square feet. Lastly, our Bungalows collection features 76 urban-style homes with yard spaces per plan, ranging in 1 to 3 bedrooms from 910 square feet to 1,999 square feet. So some of our best-selling features is our open concept living. You see kitchen leading into dining and living space. One of our other features that I love is our tall windows that allow a lot of natural light into the home. And last but not least, our big decks and yards to enjoy the outdoor weather here in Los Gatos. Some of our standard specs include dual pane windows, mixture of wood stucco exteriors for a modern farmhouse style, Google Smart Home Package including the doorbell, thermostat and smoke detector, as well as Bosch kitchen appliances and a U-line beverage center. Primary bed closet systems, upgrades including engineered wood, quartz countertops, and full-height tile backsplashes. In addition to a high-quality standard of home building, our homes include smart home technology and energy-saving home features you just simply cannot find in any older home. Our homes come with a home warranty of 1-year warranty including fit and finish and consumer appliances, and 2-year warranty for major components including HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and fire sprinklers. Our 253 homes provide thoughtful floor plans and design with open, bright living spaces, gracious windows, and decks and yard areas for gathering. Centralized community gardens to come together, as well as interwoven paseos throughout the neighborhood. You'll find several gathering spaces surrounded by trees for residents to relax and unwind. Dine outdoors and visit with family and friends. A variety of other amenities include fireplace parks, barbecue, and dining areas, a hammock zone, bicycle paths, and multiple parklets throughout. All these wonderful amenities are just footsteps within our North 40 master plan. The Junction will be the hub for future vibrant dining and retail services with inspired history of the agricultural history of Los Gatos. There'll be 50,000 square feet of shops and services and 20,000 square feet of food and beverage. Los Gatos offers proximity to a variety of top employers and easy commute access, excellently rated local schools, an abundance of restaurants and shopping close to the downtown areas of Los Gatos and Saratoga, and an absolute haven for outdoor recreation. Bellaterra reflects the special nature of our hometown. It celebrates Los Gatos history, heritage, hillside views, and small town character, respectful of precious community resources, and offers unique attributes that enrich the quality of life of all of our residents. Visit livebellaterra.com for more information or contact us at 888-703-1616 or by email at bellaterrasales@shhomes.com. We're looking forward to your visit and to show you around.